Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well. We're here with a stylish rack, but it has a really beautiful MDF design and also comes with a closet. The height of our piece is 1 meter and 60 centimeters. The width is 1 meter and 20 centimeters. The depth isn't 30, it's 40, a bit bigger with more depth. Since it has a closet, it also has more space. Inside this closet, there's a space for hanging clothes. You can hang your clothes inside here. The things you don't want anyone to see, or that are a bit older, you can put here, and your formal or long clothes can go here. This not only makes the rack look nice, but also gives you a good spot for your formal wear. We have 2 drawers at the bottom, one smaller and one larger. Since the depth is 40 centimeters, the drawer comes out completely. You have full access, so you can use every bit of space in the drawer, and with the larger drawer you can put even more things inside. This one also comes out all the way, so the entire drawer is usable. Thank you. I hope you'll definitely subscribe to our channel and like this video so that more people will be reminded to use these shelves. Thank you. Goodbye.
La rumba está fiesta.
Baila,